Now let us look to the other method of converting infix to prefix. Already we have discussed one method. This is also very straightforward. Let us see what are the steps. It says reverse the infix string. Note that while reversing the string, you must interchange left and right parentheses. So whatever the string is given to us, you need to simply reverse it. But keep in mind, while reversing, you need to, for example, when I say uh, 3 plus 2, so you need to reverse this. So while when you reverse, you may be considering that reversing means you will get like this 3 2 plus 3 and this. So keep in mind, these brackets must be uh, change, means the right will become left, left become right. So for example, if I want to reverse this string, I am going to get like this 2 plus 3. So you reverse the entire string. Just keep in mind that left and right parentheses will be interchange or is going to be reverse also. Then whatever you get after reversing, so this is your input, this is your given expression, you reverse it, you get it this, and then you convert this expression to postfix. So already we discussed how to find the postfix. So if you only know the postfix conversion, simply reverse the string and find the postfix, and then whatever the postfix you are getting, you again reverse it, and that will give you the prefix. So it means if you know the algorithm of postfix, you can directly convert into the prefix also. So let us take an example. This expression is given to you and you want to convert to the prefix using this method. So the very first step is you need to reverse it. So what will come? It will come L minus K divided A, then bracket close. Keep in mind that we have changed this parenthesis also. So when you're reversing, we convert this right to left and this left to right here, okay, into then C divided by B minus A. We have reversed it. This is the step number 1. Step 2 is convert to postfix. So when you convert to postfix, you will get this expression. So I am not solving all the step by step, but we know how to convert to postfix. So we get this postfix, and then you again reverse it. So when you reverse it, you will get multiply minus A by B, and this is your prefix. Now let us apply this technique to some expression, and we see that how the things will work. Okay, and now let us use this algorithm. This is method 2 of converting the infix to prefix. So we'll use this second algorithm and we'll see that how we can get the prefix using this second method. So it says reverse the infix string. So whatever the string is given to us, we have to reverse it. So if we reverse it, we will get 2 divide 9 plus 4 minus 3 multiply 7 divide 14. Since we don't have any brackets, otherwise we have to also you interchange the left and right brackets as well. What does it mean? It means if it is A plus B given to us, and if I am going to reverse it, then it doesn't mean that I am going to write like this B plus A this, but I need to change this right to left bracket and left to right bracket. So in place of writing like this, I would have written, while reversing it, this right will become left, B plus A, and this left become right. This is how we need to reverse it. So in our expression, we don't have any brackets here. Then the second step says obtain the postfix expression of this infix. So already we have discussed the algorithm of postfix, how to convert infix to postfix. So we'll apply that strategy or that algorithm to convert that expression. But keep in mind that when we are using postfix for this infix conversion method, we will follow the strategy that when we are reading any operator, we will only pop the operator of higher precedence, not of equal precedence. This only thing we need to keep in mind when we are using postfix while evaluating this infix to prefix. So let us start. So when you are working with the postfix, the very first step is you need to write the right bracket at the end of the expression and push the left bracket. and then you have to read from left to right all the characters. So when I read 2, you need to simply add it to the expression. Then you read this divide. So divide operator you have to push. So when you see any operator, you need to look into the stack and check if the stack contains any operator of higher precedence. So this time there is no operator, you simply push this here and this remains the same. Then 9, so 9 will be going to add it into this expression B. Now when I am not writing here, that means it will be the same, the status of the stack will remain the same. Then plus. Now when you read plus, you will find that inside the stack we have an operator which is having higher precedence. So we pop this and add it to the B and push the plus to the stack. So we will push this into the stack and we will pop and added this here. Then we read 4. So 4 will be definitely added to the B. Whenever we come across the operand, it has to be added to the expression. Then minus. Now minus, we will look to the stack. In the stack we don't have any operator which is of higher precedence, so we will simply push this into the stack and this remains the same. Then 3, so 3 is going to add it into the expression. Then we have multiplication sign. So we look to the stack, but the stack does not contain any operator of high precedence, then multiply. Simply push this into the stack. Then you read 7. 7 is going to add it into the expression. Then divide. Again, we don't find any operator of higher precedence than the divide, so it will simply pushed into the stack. And then 14. 14 is going to add it at the expression. And then when you come across this right parenthesis, so the rule says you need to pop all the operators and add it to the B until you find the left parenthesis and remove that left parenthesis. So you need to pop this, this and add it here. So what you will get? You will get here 2, 9, divide 4, 7, 14. Then you pop this, it come divide, then multiply, then minus, then plus. And then finally we have finished the step number 2, and then reverse the postfix expression. Whatever the expression we have got, just reverse it, and what we get plus, minus, multiply, divide, 14, 7, 4, divide 9 and 2. Now this is our prefix expression. This is already we have get in our first method also, we get the same expression, and in this method also we get the same expression, and this is how we can convert infix to prefix. Now in the next algorithm we will learn that how to evaluate this expression. So far we have learned to convert infix to prefix. Now we will learn that how to evaluate this to get our answer. Okay, so moving to next.